Samsung is expected to reveal its folding smartphone concept next month, but the company is also working to achieve larger devices with folding screens. Like folding smartphones, Samsung is collaborating with display manufacturers to develop laptops with folding screens that not only fold and generate a new value and experience for the user, in the midst of changing market trends for laptops, said Lee Min-cheol, Vice President of PC Marketing at Samsung, during a laptop event in South Korea earlier this week. Folding screens on laptops could transform the market for 2-inch-1 devices. Existing convertible laptops try to flip and rotate in tablet and multimedia modes, but a flip-up screen would certainly help create new designs. However, laptops such as HP's new Folio Specter would be an ideal candidate for a flexible and foldable screen, or even potential devices such as Microsoft's Pocket Surface.